Daddy, me and Dana are on a call right. Me and Dana are on a call right now. Me and Dana.
왜 또 다 버리나 좀 먹으라 먹고.
응?
Me and Daddy,
What happened?
me and Dana are on a call, and we haven't slept over so long, so we want to sleep over together. Can we?
Where?
Huh?
Where? Sleepover where?
Belle's house.
Huh?
Belle's, you know who Belle is. Auntie Shirley knows who Belle is too.
Where? North?
It's kind of closer to Shauna and the Dennis house. So our plan is to go. It's like you guys drop me off at Belle's house, or I go to Dennis house and they pick me up and go to. Can I go? Can we sleep over together? Wednesday?
Not tonight.
Yeah, not tonight. Wednesday? Daddy.
Hmm?
Wednesday?
No, not Wednesday. Maybe next week.
Huh?
Maybe next week.
Daddy. Last week we made plans and they said no.
What?
We said a few weeks later. Why are you showing? A few weeks ago you said that you said I asked if we could sleep over. You said next week.
Did I?
Yeah.
Did I say next?
Yes, you said next week. Can we sleep over?
Yeah, we'll see.
Huh?
We'll see.
No, I need direct answers so we don't get because we're really excited. We want to sleep over. Can you just say yes?
Finish up.
Yeah. Leave what on the table?
We're working on it.
Someone said
Oh.
Someone said it's on the table.
No, not. Literally been anywhere, never slept over again, so yeah. We're not even doing anything. We will sleep over on Wednesday because on Saturday and Sunday